Hi, my name is Lakshmi and I'm part of Animal Lifeline Network. We are building a community which is coming to solve the problem of blood donation, especially for animals at Bangalore. But we don't want to limit ourselves to Bangalore. In the future, we want to be able to solve this problem across India.
I've been to many hospitals because of my golden retriever. So he's the luxurious one. He has had 3 surgeries till now, and he always chew up something. And he also has some skin infection and other issues like hip dysplasia, and he has some problem with his lungs as well. So I thought that it's better to know what the blood type of my dogs are before some emergency comes in. And at the last moment, I'm running here and there, losing the precious time that I have.
Whenever we went to a hospital, he has gotten blood testing done, but we never knew the blood type and how it is different for humans and for Kimchi. So, being a small dog and he has had some health issues in the past, so we were worried that at least we should know this in case of emergencies. What if he needs blood, or he could give it to someone and it couldn't be of help.
But knowing that their blood is not something that's arranged by the hospital easily was something shocking for me to know. And definitely knowing that ALN is working towards that is very, very comforting and encouraging factor.
When I first heard about ALN, I was very excited. I wasn't aware that there was no blood banking available for pet parents, so it's a very good initiative, is what I heard.
He's about 4.5, and I just got to know through the blood test camp that he's a rare type 1.2. So knowing that we have a setup now where we can look forward in case of emergencies, I can check up on the blood bank is special.
I'm happy to join ALN as a donor and register them as donor because I see a lot of cases where other dogs require blood and kind of helps them, and people do struggle actually to find other donors, and it's just something that every pet parent I believe should be doing.
So we are having a blood typing drive, and here are all our dogs coming one after the other.
So we are doing blood typing of the pets because when in emergency cases when they need blood, it's always better to know their blood type.
How do you go about doing the blood type?
The kit that we have is L2J Bio. We just take the whole blood. So we have 3 compartments here. We just put a drop of blood in each, and then we have a buffer. 1 or 2 drops is okay. And then we gently mix it. So we just see that egglutination has happened in 1.1. So if you interpret, it's 1.1 positive.
Right now, blood donation is a very, very informal process. Many animals wait for blood, sometimes hours, sometimes days, sometimes they don't even find blood in time. Our vision is that we want to be able to provide blood for any animal in need immediately. And for that, we require your support. We are right now in the process of building a database of healthy donors who can donate blood. For dogs, cats is what we are starting right now with, but over the future we want to be able to expand it to any animal in need. Now, with the database, we also want to be able to set up a blood bank that can cater to any blood need across Bangalore. And that is the vision that we are currently working towards, and we cannot do this without your support. So please join us. You will find all the details below.